Aloha, my name is Anna, and I need your kokua. I need your help. On July 15th of 2023, I was S.A.'d at a spa in Honolulu. Two months after that traumatic experience, my mom passed away of cancer. And within the next year, I would lose 6 other family members. I didn't have time to pursue my case. It was already exhausting to grieve, but I had a really great victim advocate who helped me and reminded me that I needed to pursue it before the statute of limitation came, which was 2 years. Not nearly enough time for a victim to heal. Anyway, I filed again in January of 2025. The prosecutors let me know that I should be going to a bench trial in late April or May of 2025. But that didn't happen because the defendant hired an attorney who in turn helped him to stall time. And with that, they also asked for a jury trial. My case moved from district court to circuit court with the jury trial now on my mom's birthday, August 4th of 2025. I was subpoenaed to court, and the court date was set for September 15th and 16th. But because his attorney is Akamai and knew how to play the right cards, he filed for a motion on Rule 48. Rule 48 basically says that if a defendant isn't charged within 6 months, they can drop all the charges. And at this point, it was almost 6 months. So now with this motion, they had to stall my case again, also because the attorney had some issues with evidence, so they needed more time with it. So they re-subpoenaed me to court on October 27th and 28th, which still was supposed to be a jury trial, and honestly is stressful to even think about. His hearing for the Rule 48 was supposed to be before, on October 15th, but me as a victim having no say in this, and he apparently has way more, he pushed that hearing back to October 22nd, and on October 22nd, Judge Rowena Somerville, who is a woman, by the way, dismissed my case with prejudice. This means I will never get to retrial. And this man who S.A.'d me got away with his crime. That I was basically denied justice. And on top of that, now there's this man in our community and he still has his massage license. I cannot bear the idea of knowing another woman or man could be hurt by him and have to endure all the same pain and trauma that I've had to work through in the last 2 years. It's unfair. And so I need your kokua. I'm going to write to our legislators for the safety of future victims that Rule 48 should not be allowed to drop S.A. cases. There is a predator in our community, and he got away with what he did because of this unfair rule. He has a right to a speedy trial, but so do I. And I had to endure months of being told I would go to court and then it'd be a jury trial. And the stress of knowing that I'd have to tell my story in front of people all over again, relive what happened to me, only for it to be dropped, and for me to know that I will never get to see justice on behalf of what happened to me. This isn't pono. This isn't right. And it endangers our community. And I need help. So if you want to write to legislation with me, our legislators, just DM me or comment on this video, because the more voices that push out, you know, the story and push out the unfair applications of Rule 48 and S.A. cases, the more that we're likely to change the laws and the rules. Yeah. And please share this story, because our Aina deserves to be safe. We should be able to go to massage parlors without the fear of being harmed and without being harmed, you know? So, yeah. It takes one victim to be felt by Hawaii's justice system and to start calling for change. But it takes a community to enforce change. I can't do this alone. So please, if you'd like to help, let me know.